Let's evaluate this indefinite integral involving a decimal exponent. We are given the integral of 3.4 times x to the power of minus 0.17 dx. First, notice the constant coefficient, 3.4. Using the constant complement notation, using the constant multiple rule, we factor this constant outside the integral. Now, we apply the power rule for integration. According to the rule, we increase the exponent by 1 and divide by the new exponent. The exponent becomes minus 0.17 plus 1. This gives us 0.83. So the integral becomes 3.4 times x to the power of 0.83 divided by 0.83. And of course, we add the constant of integration, c. Now, let's simplify the coefficient. We divide 3.4 by 0.83. To remove the decimals, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. This gives us 340 over 83. So, the final answer is 340 times x to the power of 0.83 all over 83 plus c.